Hi, welcome back to the channel. What am I doing today? Today, I'm doing more hillbilly stuff again. Today I'm making a hillbilly phone holder for making videos using my phone. So, I don't know if this is going to work or not. So I bought one of these bags, cheap bags in a bag shop in the town, €5. So, as you can see, I cut a hole in the bag. The phone will go in here. I have some padding. I have a piece of glass here, which is from a welding mask, a clear glass that you get when you buy a welding mask. I'm going to put that in front just to protect the lens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a local shop and buy a picture frame that size. That glass, as you can see, that glass is a bit small. So I'm going to buy a picture frame that size today, take the glass out, and it should fit in the bag complete and protect the phone a little bit and the lens from dust and dirt from driving. This is completely an experiment, but I'm gonna keep you recording. I'm gonna put the camera into this. Basically, what I do is this goes over my neck when I'm riding. I'm riding like that. So if I get the phone level, I'll have to put some padding in the bag just to hold it out like that. But I've loads of room. I have two compartments in this bag. In the second compartment, I'll put some padding to either tilt it this way or this way. It's a complete experiment today. I'm going to go out now very shortly and see how it all works. So let's see. I'm just going to put the phone in the bag. I'm going to reverse the lens. Okay, so that's looking out. Let's put the phone in the bag and see how this looks going through the glass. Now, so that's the phone sitting in the bag, very roughly. Okay, and I'll be riding. My hands will be, I don't even know if I can see my hands. I haven't a clue. But I know I have a wide angle lens and I have a normal lens, and of course I have the macro lens. So I'll probably select the wide angle lens. It should give a good view of my hands on the bars and the clocks, and maybe a bit of an all-round view. I have to adjust whether I'm going to sit up here, whether it's going to be this way. So I'm going to go out for a ride and do a bit of an experiment now in the next half hour and just see how it looks. And if it works, wonderful. If it works, I have my hillbilly camera. My hillbilly Gopro, we could say. I'll flick you back here. I don't even know what that looks like. I'll have to wait until I have a look. When I see, there's the cover. So I need to put the cover up. So I can't really see what I'm recording. I just have to hope it's working out. Okay, I'll stick it on the bike and I'll go for a ride. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Sure if you can hear me or not. I have to buy an adapter to put a microphone on this phone. There's a local lake over there. Just go for a little ride to the house on the outside of the town, and then come back into the town. I have to investigate getting a microphone. It's one of these new phones that doesn't have a microphone attachment. You have to buy an adapter.
side of the town and go a little bit faster just to see how it copes with wind noise in the bag, and of course to see if you can hear me at all. If you can't hear me, I'm not bothered. It's an experiment at the moment. I think I will have to go higher because you're going to be looking through the fairing, which is smoke, so it doesn't help. I can't go much higher. I'm about 6 inches from my neck. If I bring it right up to my neck, I'll actually be here. So maybe I'll try that. I'll make a much shorter strap. I think that'll be a better view. But I'm holding that with one hand at the moment, so I'll have to put it back down. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I probably have to shout really loud. When I get a microphone, I'll have an attachment on my helmet and it'll be much easier to hear me. So you probably cannot hear anything. I'll put some text underneath this. Okay, I'm going to turn around down here and come back into the town. I'll do it soon here. There's a little road. Here is better. I reckon this is a better position. Definitely. I'll have to make a shorter strap. Town sign in Latvia. When you see that sign, the speed limit is 50. Okay, I'll have a look now when I go home, see how that worked. Interesting experiment. Okay, so I'm back at home now, and yeah, worked very well. Very pleased. Had a look at the video, and
definitely going to do what I said, shorten the strap by another few inches, and I think that's perfect. Just using a Samsung phone, and I definitely won't be worrying about getting a GoPro for a long time. It's perfectly acceptable. Quality's very good, and well, the price is negligible. A bag for €5, and I went into my local shops and I got a camera, for, a photo frame, actually 2 photo frames for €1.50. So I have the glass in the bag now, fits perfect, and the phone's protected. I did notice there's a little piece of the cutting just showing in the corner of the lens there, so I'll have to cut the bag just a wee bit more to get that away from showing. But yeah, very pleased with that. Very good process and very successful test. So let's see. I'll see what I can do and get it organized. Maybe I don't know. I don't want to use it on the bike run with the club, but I'll use it on some other runs. The parade around the town. I don't think I'll use it for that, but I'll definitely do videos of the actual event and that, but I don't think I'll use it on the parade. So, but I'm very pleased with it. I'll be able to go on a few runs and show you some of the stuff around where I live and some of the interesting places. So there you go, successful hillbilly camera phone camera mount. That's how that worked. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, everything much appreciated. Ask me anything you want to ask me.